Hello, I'm going to be answering WASSCE 2019 English Language Objective Past Question 46 under Test of Orals Section 6. The instruction is, in each of the following sentences, the word that receives the emphatic stress is written in capital letters. From the questions lettered A to D, choose the one to which the given sentence is the appropriate answers. So, emphatic stress is what we are dealing with. Now this is the sentence. John was a legend, and legend is the word with the emphatic stress. A, was Ernest a football legend? B, was John a football coach? C, was John a hockey legend? D, is John a football legend? Now in emphatic stress, basically you search for the option that contains a word that either negates or is different from the capitalized or the word in capital letter. So you look for the word that is different amongst the options. So you have John was a legend. Now A says, was Ernest a football legend? Now option A still contains the word legend, so it is not our answer. B says, was John a football coach? Now C says, was John a hockey legend? Contains legend. D says, is John a football legend? So from this you can see that only option B contains the word coach, and coach is different from legend, not the same. Therefore option B is the correct answer. Was John a football coach? So please subscribe to this YouTube channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers. Thank you and God bless you.